In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import videos in CapCut PC quickly and easily so you can get your footage into the editor and start creating right away. If you're new to CapCut or you just want a simple refresher, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once CapCut launches, you'll either see the home screen or your recent projects. From here, you can create a brand new project or open an existing one, depending on what you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, just click to create a new project. If you already have something in progress, open that project so you can add your video files directly into it. Now that your project is open, look for the media panel. This is where CapCut keeps your imported assets like videos, images, and audio files. To bring in your video, click the import button in the media panel. This opens a file browser window so you can find the video stored on your computer. Next, select the video file or files you want to add. You can import one video at a time or choose multiple files if you have several clips you want to edit together. After selecting your footage, click Open. CapCut will now begin importing the videos into your project. Give it a moment to process, especially if the files are large or you're bringing in multiple clips at once. Once the import is complete, your videos will appear in the media library inside CapCut. This means they're ready to use in your project and you can now place them wherever you want. If you want to begin editing, the next step is to drag a video from the media library down to the timeline. The timeline is where all the actual editing happens, so this is the point where your clip becomes part of the project. Simply click and drag the video onto the timeline, then release it in the spot where you want it to appear. And just like that, your video is imported and ready for editing in CapCut PC. From here, you can trim it, cut it, add text, apply effects, or continue building out your full edit. If this video helped, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.